I'm Ricky.
I'm Jamie. Ricky, I know that you do not like pickles.
Not at all.
Okay, but have you ever been in a pickle?
Oh, you mean like a pickle costume? Like dress is the thing you fear the most?
No, I mean like the phrase, I'm in a pickle.
Use it in a sentence, please.
Okay. I left my lunchbox at home, so now I'm in a pickle because I'm really, really hungry.
I see. In that case, then yes, I've been in many pickles.
Pickles are problems that need a solution.
My solution? Throw all the pickles in the trash.
As the church, there are many ways that we can serve others. Everyone, even the smallest person, has something they can contribute.
Oh, so you're saying that the church can love others and be pickle problem solvers?
Yes, inside the church and everywhere outside in the world, we all have ways that we can be helpers.
You were uniquely created with specific gifts chosen by God to bring Him glory. When we help others, we have a special opportunity to use these gifts to love and serve others well.
1 Peter 4:10 says each of you should use whatever gift you've received to serve others. The gifts that we've been given are not just for our own benefit, but God created us to share our gifts with those around us. Because of how God created you, there are certain things that no one else in the world can do quite like you. And God wants to bless and encourage others through you.
God has called each and every one of us to help, but it might look different for everyone. For you, you might have something physical like food or clothing or even your time you can use to help others. But it can even be as simple as sharing your humor with someone who's feeling down, or being kind to a classmate that needs a smile, or even writing a letter to a lonely family member. Ask God to help you notice when someone needs support. Invite Him into your day-to-day moments and ask Him to show you opportunities where you can help those around you.
Ricky and Jamie. Today, you will have to use your wits to creatively solve a series of pickle problems. The person who solves the problems the best will receive the positive pickle. The runner-up will receive something a little more sour.
This is my worst nightmare! Yeah.
So, are you ready for your first pickle problem?
Ready! Ooh, there's a pickle in a balloon.
Be the first person to get the pickle into the balloon and inflate it.
Oh, and inflate it.
Boo.
Ready, set, go!
Oh, I feel like I kind of...
This is the worst.
Ha!
Yay!
This is the worst. This is the worst.
I think that's Jamie?
Wow!
Good job, Jamie!
I'm a big deal!
He's a big deal.
What I'm about to say will change the way you think about sharing. Here's a popular story from the Bible. After a long day of teaching and healing, Jesus saw the big crowd around him was hungry. His disciples wanted to send them away for food, but Jesus had a different plan. He said, "You give them something to eat." The disciples only had 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. Jesus smiled and said, "Bring them here to me and tell everyone to sit down on the grass." Jesus took the food, thanked God for what was given, and broke the loaves and fishes into pieces for his disciples to hand out. The crowd was over 5,000 men, women, and children. Miraculously, everyone ate as much as they wanted, and there were 12 baskets of leftovers. So what does this have to do with how we share? Sometimes needs like hunger, safety, or peace seem too big to solve, and it feels like we have nothing to offer that could help. But when the disciples shared a little, Jesus made it more than enough. No need is too big for God. Trust in His power to meet every need and share what you've got.
911 Emergency Services, what's your emergency?
Yeah, I'll take a pita party platter, extra olive oil, large side of lentils, and do you guys have spring water?
Sure, this line's for emergencies.
Well water will work just fine.
This is not a restaurant.
We need some food. We've been out here listening to Jesus teaching. It's all been good stuff, but it's dinner time, and we're out in the middle of nowhere. We're getting hangry. Our blood sugar is low. I'm losing hope.
You didn't bring food with you?
I've been snacking all day. This morning I had a squirrel in the school.
What is that?
Oh, you know what that is. It's where you hide walnuts in the bellies of fried fish.
I've never heard of that.
And then for lunch, I had a swarm on a kid.
I don't know what that is.
That's where you take the baby goat cheese and you cover it in locusts and honey. It's delicious.
These are not real recipes.
What I could really go for right now is a duck's feast.
I don't want to know what that is.
It's just torn off bits of barley bread, but you soak them in water. Wet bread, man.
This is not a catering service.
I've called this number before and they brought me food. This is Donkey Dash, right?
No, it's not.
Hold on, I'm being asked to sit in something called small group. They found some food for us. I hope it's a slippery Newton. That's that thing where you cover a fig cookie in olive oil.
It's gross.
Wait a second, this is just some kid's food. Hey! If you think this basket of 5 loaves of bread and these 2 tiny fishes are going to feed all of us, you've clearly never seen my family eat.
Sir, we need to keep this line open for actual emergencies.
There's not a buffet in town that we haven't been paying from. This basket isn't going to go far. There's at least 5,000 men out here, at least. Hold on, what's going on here? What?
I don't know.
No matter how much people take, there's still more. This isn't natural. Is this a miracle?
I don't know.
Am I in a miracle?
You might be.
No way! I'm in a miracle! I had zero hope that food was going to find me out here, but wouldn't you know it, Jesus came through. Man, oh man, he provided. Wow!
That's great news.
Well, I'd like to cancel my order.
There's no... Sir? He hung up.
Ricky, Jamie, are you ready for pickle problem number 2?
Yeah.
Yeah?
All right, be the fastest to sort all the pickles correctly. I'll give you a countdown. Ready, set, go.
Oh, plastics! Ah! No, I don't like this game at all! There's so many pickles. It's gonna be that weird, like, no, this is bread and butter and this is peanut brittle.
Is it? Why do you keep going?
Time. I mean, Brian.
You're almost there.
I know how.
Huh?
Yep.
Oh, I got it.
You fixed
I think
it.
I got it.
Did you get it first?
I think I got it before Ricky did.
The winner of
Yes.
the pickle problem solution 2 is Ricky.
Yay! Go,
So
Ricky.
we have our whole kosher dills.
Yes.
We have our sandwich stackers. We have our bread and butter slices.
Ugh.
And we have our hamburger dill slices.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take.
Don't. Oh, you did the bread and
Well, bread
butter.
and
Gross.
It's delicious.
I love pickles, but not bread and butter.
So it's 1-1.
Yes.
How are you guys liking these pickle problems?
I love it.
Don't like it. I'm tasting pickles by proxy of smell. I don't like this at all.
On to the next one.
Whee!
And go for it. Little ideas for serving. Pickle edition. First time ever to do voiceover. That's wild to me.
If you're allowed to share food at your school, share your lunch or your snacks with a friend who didn't bring enough to eat.
Set up a call with a grandparent or relative. Ask people if they need help.
Offer to pray for someone who's having a rough day.
Clean up the spaces around you. Classrooms, parks, or church.
Let's see, you could meet new people by learning their names and something about them.
Set up time to visit a nursing home.
Let someone go in front of you in the line. Ooh, what about invite a classmate who just moved here from another country to play together?
Invite kids at the playground to join what you're playing, or ask if you can join their game.
Stand up for anyone you see being bullied.
Help a sibling or friend with their homework. And share any extra school supplies you might have. Participate in food drives or community events. Don't do it for the likes. Do it because you want to help. Speak with kindness. Speak with kindness. Speak with kindness. That's great.
Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. Love the Lord your God with all your heart and soul and mind. And love your neighbor as yourself. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. Love the Lord your God with
let's do it. Just to recap, it is 1-to-1. And for pickle problem number 3, the buckets may not leave their spots. In 1 minute, use the serving tray to move as many pickle balls from one bucket into the other bucket.
That's it? So it's not like we gotta do it while eating a pickle or while trying to balance a jar of pickles or anything like that?
That's the game.
Oh, yes. I'm ready.
All right.
Ready.
Jamie, you're up first.
Yes. Oh, I'm up first.
Ready, set, go.
Doing great, Jamie.
Thank you.
Pickleball is America's fastest growing sport.
It's true.
The
What is it
movement-
for those who are like 50s to 60s?
That's not important. But, you know, it's a fun game. It's like tennis or ping pong, but right in the middle.
Will you let me know when I have like 10 seconds?
Sure.
I'm not.
You have 30.
Jamie is going with the tactic of laying everything down on the tray and then transporting it to the other thing. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Taking her time. It's really going well.
Oh, nuts.
10 seconds.
Thank you.
That's
One ball got away, and that's okay.
Ah!
Yes.
time.
Nuts.
Wow, yeah, that all but one, Jamie. That was really good. Congratulations.
All right, Jamie.
Yes.
You got 39 pickleballs in the bucket in 1 minute.
Woohoo! Go, Jamie.
Take your place. I'll count you down. Ready, set, go.
Go, Ricky, go. So, if a piper picked a pick of peppers, how many pipers pickled did he pick?
At least 7.
At least 7. You heard it here on the Loop Show. At least 7.
How much time do I have?
No, he's picking it up.
About 30 seconds.
Oh, good.
All right, we just gotta hope that one of us. I was gonna say we have to hope that one of them escapes.
Gymnastics.
Oh no! I thought about doing that. Oh!
How much time do I have left?
10 seconds.
10.
Go, Ricky, go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's time.
Was it seriously 1? Is 1 crazy pickleball? Yeah.
All right, we are all tied up and we're in a pickle because you both got 39 pickleballs in the bucket. Our tiebreaker is the first one going at the same time to sink a pickleball in that bucket down there wins it all. Ready, set, go. Oh, I thought that was it.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Quite a few tries.
No, I'm so glad I was able to get that on my first shot.
Yeah.
Wow.
You saw it here first, folks.
Wow.
In Matthew chapter 22, it says this. Jesus replied, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment. And the second is like it. Love your neighbor as yourself." Now, I want you to think about what it means to love your neighbor as yourself, because everyone is our neighbor. And I want you to fill in the blank. Love blank as yourself. It could be your mom, it could be someone at the grocery store, or a friend, or the person sitting right next to you. Love blank as yourself. Now you might be wondering, why do we have to love others as ourselves? Well, it's because we're the church, and it's what we do. You see, being in the church means that we contribute, meaning we play a part. We don't just receive, but we also give. And we do it not expecting anything. We don't do it to be liked or to receive recognition, but only because God has given us so much. He's given us so much grace and forgiveness for the things that we've done, that when we serve, when we give, when we love others, we don't do it expecting anything, but only because of what God has done for us. And if you're feeling discouraged about whether or not God can use you and your gifts, I want you to pray and talk to Him about it. I want you to ask Him to use you and to use your gifts to love others, to serve them, to help build His kingdom, because He will. Because as a church, we love others. We will reach people in this place and outside of it so that they will know Jesus.
All right, Ricky, as the winner, you get a positive pickle. And Jamie,
Ooh, yes.
you get sour pickle candy.
Sour pickle candy.
You are crushing it. Keep up the amazing work.
There was no pun. Let's try again.
You're brined with brilliance.
There it is. You are brined with brilliance.
Wow.
Just like these. Okay, are we ready to... Oh, it smells like...
Pickle?
It smells like salt? I mean...
Why would you do that? No!
Why did you fall for that? No, I'm just kidding. I did not do that on purpose.
Oh, yes, you did.
Does it smell like a pickle?
It smells like all the pickles. Highly concentrated pickles.
I just smell salt.
Oh, go ahead. Yeah. Is it supposed to be sour pickle?
Yes. But it just tastes gross. Oh, it tastes more sour. As you go.
Oh, Jamie.
Yeah? What? Go
ahead and smile for the camera.
Oh, no!
Your entire mouth is green
Really?
right now. Super green. Oh!
Is it my teeth, too?
It's your teeth.
Oh,
baby.
no!
You got green pickle teeth.
Now I'm in a pickle because I've got, a green mouth. That was a dilly of an episode, eh, Ricky?
Just a blast.
Ricky ate a pickle on our show one time.
Ooh, and my first strawberry.
You can check out that video on our channel.
In here and out there, we share what we got.
We help others by serving them.
And if they have a pickle of a problem,
we partner with God to help them out.
Look for ways to contribute this week.
And as you go, don't forget to enjoy the ride.
You're a really big deal.
Oh,